Alright, hello YouTube, you're back working with Sherm, and in this video we're going to be talking about regular expressions. Remember, always comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button. And if you want to be notified of all the new videos, ring that bell. Now let's go ahead and begin. Today I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to go ahead and use this. This is what I like to use in my work environment to actually find out searches for things, right? Regular expressions allow you to make granular searches for particular items or files or whatever you may need to do in an automated way or a systematic way. So let's go ahead and look at that. In Visual Studio, all you have to do is hit Control F for the find or search, and then just click here, use regular expressions. And then I can go over here and type out some words, like have a nice day, hello world, Cisco, Microsoft, Linux, Unix, Python. Alright, so now we have several words, and let me capitalize a few of these, because you can look for specific items in one regex string. You can get pretty creative with them. Oh, let me add in a phone number as well. Right, and I can show you how to do that. 543A 920 or something. Alright. So, let's go ahead and begin. Right? You can look for a particular string or not a word, things like that. You can look for two words. So let's look at digit. And the actual regex to look for a digit, it would be D. Let's see. Plus D slash D slash D dot D slash D slash D dot D. We should get anything for that, but we didn't get anything. So let me see. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Slash is in the wrong direction. Alright. So, we have digits. You can either do slash D, and then dash. Then you can do slash D, D, dash, slash D, D slash D slash D, or you can come out and hit the plus sign, which is any number of digits, and this will be a shorter way of doing it. And of course, there's always easier, shorter ways of doing it. Just make sure your regular expressions are always valid. No matter what, that's what matters the most. That's what counts, right? So that's how we could get a number. We would do a slash digit plus, meaning any order number of digits in a row, and then the dash or hyphen would come in between those regular expressions, right? So then let's see. So .txt 5.csv, right? And you see that number didn't get picked up. But now it does when I do like that, or even just that, it counts for 1 digit. So let's do any amount of white space, right? That's where the /s is. And then let's do uppercase S is any words, any number of words, right? But if we wanted to make sure, okay, there's space and then a word, we could specifically find that hello world meets no problems. And if we just do like that, let's see, hello world meets no problems. And if we do another space that we tell the regex that we're looking for an additional space, then hello world gets dropped off. There's no space, and after hello world, that's it. The only one that meets this is have a nice day. And then we do another slash, and we get the third word for that one, and do spacing and the last word because it has 4 words. We'll do that, and there you go. Now we've covered have a nice day. And as you can see, this is how you can really find files and things like that. We also can do a lookup where, like regxr.com, you can look and search any patterns that you're looking for. If you want to do something from A to Z, any capital letters, if you want to do lowercase, you can change that. And you can do them all within this browser window. If you're looking for numbers, you would do 1 to 9. And I can just start throwing random numbers in. Anything like that. 2s, anything like that. Or is it 2 words? There you go. It has to be a number and then a word. So any word that preceded with a number, it would get picked up. And that's basically how regex works. This is why it's useful. I use it all the time in my scripts that I'm using to get that granular search and detail and looking for specific patterns that I want. All right. Remember, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see any particular videos on Windows Server administration, logging, some networking related. I've worked as a security engineer, network engineer, systems engineer, in DevOps. I do some development, and I also do cloud work as well. So anything you want to see from me, comment, subscribe, like. Thank you.